Welcome to Grammar Talk. I'm John.
And I'm Lisa. Today we're going to talk about how to use simple sentences and compound sentences in English.
That's right, Lisa. Whether you're writing or speaking, understanding these sentences is essential for clear communication.
Let's start with simple sentences. John, what exactly is a simple sentence?
A simple sentence is a sentence that has one independent clause. It includes a subject and a predicate, and it expresses a complete thought.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. For example, the dog runs. It has the subject, the dog, and the verb runs. It's a complete idea.
I see. So, simple sentences are short and straightforward. How about in conversation or writing?
They're great for making your message clear and direct. For example, I like coffee, or she reads books.
Now, what about compound sentences? How are they different?
A compound sentence combines two or more independent clauses. These clauses are connected with coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, so, yet, nor.
Can you show us an example?
Of course. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. Here, we have two independent clauses. I wanted to go for a walk, and it started raining, joined by the conjunction but.
So, compound sentences help us connect related ideas. They make our speech or writing more fluent.
Exactly. And they also add variety to your sentences. For example, she studied hard, and she passed the exam.
Are there any tips for using simple and compound sentences correctly?
Yes. Use simple sentences when you want to emphasize a single idea. Use compound sentences when you want to show relationships between ideas or actions.
And be careful with the punctuation. When connecting two independent clauses with a coordinating conjunction, you should include a comma before the conjunction, right?
Correct. For example, it was late, but I still finished my work.
Great. That's very clear. Do you have any final tips for our listeners?
Yes. Practice combining sentences. Start with simple sentences and then try joining them with conjunctions to make compound sentences. This will improve your writing and speaking skills.
Wonderful advice. Thank you, John.
Thank you, Lisa. And thank you to all our listeners. Keep practicing and you'll master these sentence types in no time.
Goodbye.